it was a night unlike any other in Adaeze's village. She sat on her mat, clutching a glowing golden yam, her heart pounding as voices echoed around her. "Beware, child," a deep voice warned. "Your choices will decide the fate of the market days. Protect their spirit, or the village will fall into chaos." In the heart of Igbo land, 4 sacred market days ruled the rhythm of life: Iki, Orie, Afor, and Nkwo. These days weren't just times for trade but were deeply spiritual, each carrying its own meaning. Together, they kept the village in harmony. Adaeze, a curious and kind girl, was at the center of it all. She lived with her grandmother, the village healer, and often helped her gather herbs at the bustling market. One fateful morning, Adaeze was running errands when a tall stranger approached her. He was cloaked in white, holding a staff adorned with cowries. His presence was otherworldly. "Child," he said, his voice calm but commanding. "You have a kind heart, but beware, your choices will ripple through the market days. Take this." He handed her a small wooden figurine. Confused but intrigued, Adaeze accepted it. As soon as the stranger disappeared, strange events began to unfold. That night, as Adaeze examined the figurine, it began to glow faintly. To her astonishment, 4 spirits emerged, each representing a market day. The first spirit, dressed in white, spoke first. "I am Iki, the spirit of beginnings. I bring new opportunities and the chance to start again." The second, cloaked in yellow, stepped forward. "I am Orie, the spirit of fairness and balance. I ensure that all exchanges are just." Next came Afor, a strong figure in green. "I am the spirit of life and rest. Without me, the land cannot thrive." Finally, a lively figure in red declared, "I am Nkwo, the spirit of joy and connection. I unite the people through celebration." The spirits told Adaeze that the balance of the market days was in danger. Someone's selfishness was causing chaos, and only she could restore harmony. The next day, Adaeze set out to save the market days. On Iki, she learned the power of kindness and new beginnings. After accidentally spilling a farmer's yams, she apologized and helped him gather them. The farmer smiled and said, "On Iki, kindness brings blessings." On Orie, Adaeze faced the temptation to keep a basket of coins she found on the ground. Instead, she returned it to its rightful owner, earning the trader's gratitude. Orie's spirit appeared and whispered, "Fairness restores balance." On Afor, a commotion broke out in the market. A trader accused the child of stealing, and the villagers demanded punishment. Adaeze stepped in, calming everyone down and proving the child's innocence. Afor's spirit appeared and said, "Life and rest come from understanding and protection." Finally, on Nkwo, the market turned into a festival. Adaeze broke open the golden yam she had been carrying and shared it with everyone, strangers and friends alike. The spirit of Nkwo appeared, laughing, and said, "Through unity, we thrive." With each lesson, the market became calmer and more vibrant. The spirits returned to Adaeze and thanked her. The mysterious stranger appeared once more, revealing himself as Chukwu, the supreme god. "You have honored the spirits of Iki, Orie, Afor, and Nkwo," he said. "Because of your bravery, your village will prosper, and your name will be remembered." From that day forward, Adaeze became a respected figure in her village. She was known as the keeper of the market days, a symbol of kindness, fairness, gratitude, and unity. Her story was told for generations, reminding everyone of the sacred balance that the market days brought to their lives. The lesson was clear: Iki, Orie, Afor, and Nkwo were more than days, they were the heartbeat of the village.